Welcome to our guide on fixing common issues with the Chai app in 2025. Today, we'll cover everything from crashes to loading issues. Let's dive into the world of app crashes. Understanding the main causes can help us get back on track. Now, I'll guide you step by step to resolve annoying error messages that pop up. Loading issues can be frustrating. Here are some tips to improve your app's performance. Clearing the app's cache and data can resolve many issues. Let's see why this step is important. Sometimes, reinstalling the app is the best way to fix persistent problems. Here's how to do it effectively. Have you checked if your device is compatible? Let's cover the requirements to ensure smooth functioning. Keeping the app updated is crucial for optimal performance. Here's how to ensure you're using the latest version. When all else fails, it's time to contact support. Let's cover when and how to reach out for professional help. To wrap up, maintaining a smooth experience with the Chai app is all about being proactive. Thanks for watching.